Hey guys, I am coming at you from my car because today I'm going to take a walk in the park. And as I do it, I'm going to hunt for all the colors of the rainbow. So that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So looking for the main six. It might be a little tricky. I'm going to do it without using cars or clothes or anything like that because we're looking for colors in nature because that's where all the colors came from. So as I walk, I'll pause and I'll show you what I find. Here's hoping I find them all. So starting off, I've already found green. It's all around the grass, the trees, and I'm standing right now underneath a pine tree, which is known as a coniferous tree. Do you know why it's called that? Well, let me tell you. It's because it produces pine cones, which are how it carries its seeds. Underneath these little flaps are where all the seeds are. And when they drop, they open up and release their seeds. So if you see a pine cone that's more squished together, which I don't right now, those still have seeds in them. This one's empty, it's seed free. So there's green, one down. So in my search for colors, I have found purple. It's a little pansy. Sometimes you find them, if you look hard enough in the grass, you can also find wild violets. So there's purple. 2 down, 4 more to go. Got my third one. This is my hint of yellow. It's a dandelion. Dandelions, which you may or may not know, are edible. You can make all sorts of things out of them. One of my friends recently made dandelion cookies, which I was very tempted to make, but I might be allergic to dandelions because I was when I was a little kid, so I think I'm going to pass on that. But they're edible. People make soup. They make dandelion beverages. So there's a lot of things you can make with dandelions. All right, I still need to find orange, blue, and red. So remember earlier when I mentioned that you can find pansies or violets that are purple? There's a violet. Okay, so here's bonus points for me for light green. This is lichen. Lichen is a living organism that grows on the sides of rocks and trees, and it looks like that. And here's another thing that's also a living organism. It is moss, and it also grows on rocks and trees. All right, guys, well, it looks like I've found red. They have recently planted some tulips, so there's my red. They have tulips in other colors as well. We have some yellow ones, which I already got with daffodils. Some more red. There's purple flowers over there, but I got purple too. So now it looks like I'm gonna need orange and blue. There's some daffodils there, but they're yellow, which I got that on lock. So now just looking for orange and blue. So side note, earlier I was talking to you about coniferous trees, which have pine cones. So trees that have leaves and they might do seeds in other ways, like maple trees with their helicopter seeds. And by the way, this is a maple, are known as deciduous trees. Side note. So I found blue. It should have been obvious because of the sky. It's gorgeous today. What do you think those clouds look like? I feel like that one over there kind of looks like an otter on its back with something in its paws. You can probably also hear the cars behind me because I'm along a road. But I'm still in the park, enjoying this beautiful day. So I'm hoping to find orange in this group of flowers. There's a pink, there's some yellows. Over here we have a light orange and a narcissus. They look like daffodils, but because there's 2 different colors, these are a narcissus. And over here in this flower is some bright orange. I don't know what kind of flower this is, but that's why we have the internet, right? So I will figure that out. But there's the last color, and I will see you again in my car. Okay, so I'm back in my car. My hair's a little windswept. got in before the rain could get me too bad. Got a few drops though, but. So I just wanted you to know that I did maintain 6 feet from other people that were in the park. We're supposed to do that right now. It's very important to stop the spread. And I also had a mask. I didn't in the part that I recorded by the tree because, I don't know, it felt awkward recording myself talking with a mask on. But I did want you to know I took those precautions. Gotta stay safe. All right, so I successfully got all the colors in the park. I'm pretty pleased. It was a nice day for a walk. I have to, burn off the calories from all those baked goods I'm making for videos because I don't have anybody else to eat them with me. It's just me. All right, take care.